What's up, redneck wannabes? We're back with another video, and we're on the way to Boston. There's Teresa. There's dude. And that's Tyler, Caden, Garrett, and Jacob, and Ryan, and him. We're going to a really sick hotel, and we're gonna bomb it. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Shout out to Mason Matthews Live. It's mixer.com/SteelyCave15682. Is there anybody you want to give a shout out to?
Shout out to my dog. Shout out to Pornhub for getting me through some pretty tough times in my life. Sponsor me? Yeah, I don't know.
Shut up. No, it didn't. It's just being weird. It does that. So yeah, we'll pick you guys up at the hotel, and we're gonna go to a pool. There's a workout room.
Yeah, we're gonna get huge.
I'm gonna do 150 bench.
I'm gonna bench a total of 69.
There's a spa and a lot of other cool things.
They got him. Ryan, get this on camera.
Oh.
They got him. They got him.
He had a telephone call.
Oh my God, what a hero.
Dunskies.
So she took
See you later, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Your nose looks really big. Okay, we'll see you guys at the hotel.
Yeah.
Wait.
Number 12 seed Oregon.
So we're back. We are at the hotel. This is the view. Pretty nice, huh? Not. Yeah. We got Tyler here. We got Jacob. There's Garrett.
And Caden's
Watching basketball. Caden
Was. He's hiding somewhere. No, he's hiding somewhere.
not there.
Watch the 3 days.
Who made
So, yeah. Nothing has really happened yet. We walked and saw. We walked and saw the mall, and it's pretty expensive there.
That's what I said. Someone just texted.
Nothing that I could ever afford, or us. Maybe if you guys were amazing and shared all these videos with your friends, I could. Maybe if you guys shared these videos with your friends, I could turn rich, and then we could shop at the stores here. But I'll pick up the camera when anything cool happens. So we're back from the pool.
Yo, bring that to the ballroom. The ballroom, dude, and show them the bathroom. Pornhub Army.
Okay.
Pornhub Army.
Hey.
Dude, this is ridiculous.
Yeah. $4 for water? Yeah. Screw that. We got
$3.50 for fucking Mountain Dew.
We got a stinking refrigerator full of Gatorade. Who wouldn't want that? But we're about to go across the street to go get some food.
You did? I signed up.
And yeah, Tyler and Caden are taking a shower. Some security guard is on to them because they kind of messed up. They kind of messed up the bathroom.
Jacob's the only one who did. Jacob and Tyler.
But so yeah, we will catch you guys when we are across the street.
Yo, what's up, redneck wannabes? Ryan's sleeping, so is Jacob. Caden's jerking off, and I'm going to fucking kill myself. Garrett is jerking off, and so am I. We are tired. I saw a bunch of single girls that were UNH girls, and I told them I was varsity bench press. No one else said anything. Ryan, cut that part out of the video. What?
I said I was varsity cheerleading.
Garrett said he was varsity cheerleading. It was Wait.
Lacrosse.
It was
cheerleading,
pretty
same
swag, if you know what I
Fuck you.
mean. And we're just chilling here in the room with the boys, listening to Syphilis by Juice WRLD.
Syphilis, syphilis, syphilis. I have syphilis.
Oh wait, that's gonna get copyright. All these songs are. You gotta cut those out. I'm gonna be a great YouTuber. And what's gonna happen is we're gonna kill people.
Dude, that is not something you should say.
Alright, we're gonna go kill ourselves.
That is yeah.
Oh shit.
Logan Paul's gonna be.
We're
on our
gonna what are we gonna do?
Put your hands on your pants.
I'm itching my balls right now.
Tyler.
No.
Wait.
Why?
Tyler.
Long time. Huh. Oh yeah.
Ah,
Shit. So I
Right,
taught them
you
this
wanna
thing
keep it,
where
base
I'm not
for
gonna
me
do
to
it to you,
make?
but if you take your hand and you tap it really hard on top of their foot, it hurts and it's cool.
Do it to Ryan.
Can I do it to you?
He did it to me earlier. It doesn't hurt that.
Can I do it to you?
That didn't actually feel that bad.
Okay, ready? Ow, dude,
That
Ryan's
didn't
got
hurt at
bony ass feet, bro. There you go.
Ryan, find me a Town Hall 7 base that's good.
Why can't you just?
Because I don't know.
Oh, fuck it.
Just find one that you want.
So. Let me see.
Bro, look at how weird it looks. Ready? Come here.
It's like rounded.
Ready?
The lens is round.
We're overtired.
I'm not. I'm drinking a monster.
Shut the hell up.
I'm not even
And
tired.
I'm not either. I'm just. And
I just had the shakes.
I'm itching my balls again, but I just wanted to
You're gonna
say,
have to edit this so much.
yeah, I
I'm
feel.
just gonna put all that in.
Definitely.
I mean, crud. You're gonna have to cut that part out.
Yeah.
What the bro?
What the? What the? And then Jacob's watching porn. I'm watching porn.
I thought he was sleeping.
Caden's watching porn.
He said you were sleeping earlier, so I believed him.
I'm so immature, bro. I need to fucking kill myself. You really need to cut all those parts out of the video. I'm fucked up in the head, dude. I'm roughed up in the head.
Hey, watch my drink.
Shut up, you queer.
Make sure
And then
that
there's-
when you turn that thing off, it's actually off.
Okay, there's our view. I don't know if you can see it. The screen's black right now. Here's Ryan again. And then here's Jacob. Here's Tyler. Here's Caden. Almost said Ryan.
Wait,
And
can I
then-
see that real quick?
Garrett.
I want to do one thing.
Damn, Garrett.
Dude, can I see that real just one thing?
Yeah, you can do that.
You guys are going pee with me. I'm gonna like make it so you guys can't see, but you'll hear it. Okay. Lethargic people are amazing.
Kaden told me he wants to ride.
And we're all hanging out.
And then bang the girl.
I farted. That was a fart. I hope you guys liked the video and enjoy Redneck Wannabes on 3. 1, 2, 3. Redneck Wannabes.
I said the N-word.
Okay. How do I?
I'm gonna fuck my grandmother.
It's currently 11:18.
Stop being so fucking loud.
And
the microphone's right next to him. He goes, it's currently
where's the microphone?
in the fucking GoPro.
You're gonna have to edit this out, Ryan.
Delete it.
Delete it, camera.
Let's get wasted. Ryan, when we turn 21 and you still have a